big. If you are in job, you want to be big on high scale. If you are doing your business, everybody want to grow on high scale, right? So no business, every business means we want to go high. हर business के अंदर हर व्यक्ति चाहता है कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आगे बढ़े. Good. Now, if you want to go big in business, any business, you talk about grocery business, you talk about education business, you talk about garments business, you talk about food business. So big business comes by only one thing, you need big customer number. Okay? Is that fine?
Fine.
Your business will be big when your customer size will be big. If you are running a school, you want some language interpretation? Can you? Darul will. Yes. But wait fast. Okay. Start from here.
Hina in tuition we do big business we do kasi sau khalin thilkan to lo ki sekajin fate takte na kin tum deu mo thang sau ni khakan ni ji ronga big business ni sulam chu kan thai ko samna ko chun kan to that thai na na big customer ni kha kan nei tu
Big customer number.
Contact number mo big customer chu kan thai tu city lei tu ve mo and my contact number kan api kan lei tin na se.
Okay. So big business only when you have big customer number. If you are running a shop, you have only 10 customers. I am running a shop, I have 1,000 customers. So who is going to make big profit? 1,000. ये तो सबको पता है ना. यदि मेरे ग्राहक 10 हैं और आपके 1,000 हैं, तो 1,000 will make more money. Is that okay?
Yes.
Good.
Yati mi chu na big business big customer number ati mi asulam boy na asim mi chu don narak to I customer kha contact minung pathalong na nei ta thim na ka chule ani in thong khatarak nei zau so na sak so di thong khatita ka fe chak so di.
Good. So now Vestige is a business. Vestige भी क्या है? Businesses. So for big Vestige business, we also need big customers, more customers. In our business, we call distributors. Like we are not customers, we are Vestige distributors. So we need, if we want to go big in business, in Vestige, we need big distributor number. That is called team. That is called team. Good.
Big business business kan to do sia chun big customer number tampi kan nei dingi chumi kha kan tatwan kha sot thai ding mi kha kan som bi gau dingi khati kan to mi kha team mo tuan tang mun khate tuan tang mi kha sim la.
Okay? So if somebody asks what I have to do in Vestige, what is my main work in Vestige? If somebody asks me, sir, how to grow in business? How my income will be big? Okay? Like a doctor. What is the main work of a doctor? Is to look the patients. What is the main work of a teacher? Is to teach students. Okay?
Yes.
हर काम का कोई ना कोई मेन वर्क है. In Vestige, my duty, if I am in Vestige and I want to grow, यदि मैं Vestige में हूँ और मुझे बहुत आगे बढ़ना है, now my prime work is to make big team. What I have to make big?
Team.
Vestige e kan to mi chu yang ha si telefon Vestige sa ja sa to at min thu in sur bang ta se la hi me kan na ton na ki kan than sau du vi bawa sia chun big team kha tu bi in kan to din kha kan na to kha si mi som tam le mi thai den tam kha team mi tin na ton da tam din kha mi si.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
So my focus in Vestige is make big team. Make big team or network. Okay? Big network, big income.
pa ya focus me jo target focus dia me ji hasi dia kon make big network kan ka win tum bi in kan to tingi mi pha kan so kan sim thei bi ro tin kan mi kan sim thei tam bi ro le kon kan ro man kha tam bi ro se kau.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
And for big network, Neelam ji must have told you the first step. Use the product, share the product, make a list, invite people and show them Vesties. Okay?
Okay.
Nobody will come automatically to you. Listen very carefully.
ถ้าเต็มจากงานอยู่แล้วตู้นาอินคีคันมิตีอินสิงตู้นี่ละมั่งคันนั้นดับสิงสวีโปรดักคันนั้นฝังติงี้จิเลมีคันนั้นแชร์ติงี้ที่ลุมดันบอคันนั้นสิงซองติงอติเวกินคัติเวกินนั้นมีขันคันนั้นมันนั้นฝังเกมีขันคันนั้นสิงซองติงจุลาวสิเดียคนเจ้าวันข้าววันเดียขนาดนั้นไม่เนี่ยนะอันราเหล่าติงเจ้าขนาดนั้นที่เหล่า
Good. So, the step is use and use it 100%. Okay? When you use it 100%, you will get one thing from Vestige product, that is trust. That is trust. The products are good or not. How you know? If you're having your tea, chai pite na aap sab log?
हाँ जी.
Tea or coffee or cold drink? Not cold drink, but if you are having tea, then in your tea sugar is there or not. How you will tell? You will tell by seeing it or by tasting it. No, you have to tell by seeing it. Mango is tasty. Do you many you eat? I don't. But your color is like a mango.
Because yesterday I did.
Yesterday is sweet or mango is not sweet. How we will know? Cherry, how we will know? We will know by touching, seeing, or by
possible.
eating, or by what is the best way? Sister, ma'am, what is the best way? Use it or see it. Use it or see it. So Vestige products are magical. Vestige products are magical and very good.
Yes.
You explain?
นี่นะเห็นปักขันนักอะจุนโปรดักต์ข้าจะที่สักวันตัวเด้งกิเลจูzaaเราเรียนฟูเราเรียนกันมากันบางทีนี้จะมีโลกอะมันชัดหน้ากันเห็นดีกันริ้นสันมันเด้งหมดตู้ตาชิมหน้ากันแมงโก้ฟ้าขายรถตาชิมิขายทุกวันทุกอย่างกันเห็นใครหน้ากันจึงคือกันหูเล่กันเจ้าเล่กันทำเนี่ยนะกันไทยเทียมเลยกันไอ้โลกอะกันอัดตุ่มดานกันไทยช่วยกิน Vestige product ค่ะกันมาเอาด้วยกันมาในกันไทยโลกอะกันริ้นสันงะไทยจิเลคนชัดนะคะกันสิบสวกไทยหม้อขมีคันมีคันนั้นหนึ่งสันติสิกันมาคันนี้จ่ากันสันติ
Done? So mango is sweet or not? So I'm having water in my hand. Anybody who can tell, let me do my work first. Let me add some. I have added something in it. And now I am going to reward something to somebody out of you. And you have to tell me. I have added something, 2-3 flavors in it. Mango flavor, orange flavor, and some sugar in it. So, tell me, how is this water?
Kimi ya kan
No. Don't come to water. You are a superstitious person. You hypnotize people. You are like a, what do you say? Some magical Baba who can tell your luck. जादूगर या आपका भविष्य बता देते हैं जो देखिए ना वो what you say? Astrologer. You are an astrologer. Very big astrologer of the world. But can astrologer of the world
โดย
can tell
โดย
you the
โดยเทียมเตียละ
Okay, something in your language. Can any astrologer or any person who is PhD or a small person or a highly educated person can tell me the taste of this water without tasting it? It's a very simple example.
Hina hin ta thum na ka kan ti dai la kun tai khana kha jiang smot thil dang dang kha roi khami a roi mi kha jiang ha roi ti mi kha kan thai fiang the nak te nga kan chun jiang ti ve ke astrologer ti ve pon mo ti magic si kan te kai che kha ti ve pon kha khan tham lâu in lâu chun tep lâu chun mo jiang tin tha ya ta ti mi kha an thai lâu ti ji ro nga kan khami kha an thai nak te nga kan jiang ha chu le chu tep rau ni kha mo kan mi kha ti si.
Is it so long? Now my question to you is, I added something very sweetener into it, and it is really very sweet. So just have a taste and tell me how sweet it is.
Inole.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
Is it?
CMD.
Oh, is it sweet like mango?
No. CMD pani no.
Need CMD. That's sweet like mango?
No.
No, it is not. But I am telling you it is.
Yeah, it is like CMD.
See, we are two customers. One is your guest,
Yes.
one is Vestigian. And we are fighting.
Yes.
You are saying products, this is like mango. And he is saying it is not. Now who will win?
Who
Who
taste?
will win? Yes, who taste. Who will win? Who?
Yes.
So if somebody says Vestige products are not good, then you can take a stand and tell, no sir, no man. I am the practical example of these products. मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स यूज किया है, मैंने टेस्ट किया है, and I have a trust. Vestige products are good.
Nan integra kan na di atlum batlum lau te kha in ram test ta ka mi achun atum dan kha chu tui hi to ke kan bi mi CMD te kha thuk te mo tui te ati mi kha kha mi test te kha si dok sung re mi mo chu mi si te ka kan tu thum na ka mi nan ti te ri a tha thalo ti ve kin mi khan e lok na kum bak ta se la amang tu nang ma ra ri na se chun a that zia kha thata ke na proof thai de ka ti mo chu le hi bi da kha ta tin na hi cha thalo lu tu tin min lau ti bak ta se la nang man zawa se chun a that zia kha thata kin rin ta ka tin na re ngam tin chu ro kha an lam mi kha na rin san se tin na man na rap si ya
Okay, so to all you, मैं आप सबके लिए एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. We are like from last 20 years Vestige is working. 20 साल बहुत बड़ा समय होता है.
हाँ जी.
To create a trust, Vestige products are very good. This is what trust is. If I say Apple, phone Apple, mobile phone Apple, so Apple is good. All phones are good because you are using it, because you know the features. Okay? So what you eat, you can share. What you use, you can share. What you don't use, if you share, people will not believe you.
Yes.
So if somebody says, what my first work in Vestige, my prime work is to make network, but network of more users. And I can only make network of more users when I myself use the app. Is that okay?
Yes.
And when I use it, then all 4 benefits, what Pavanji told you, repurchase offer, consistency offer, you get your products on almost 50% less when you use it regularly. Okay? So, need to create trust. When you have trust, you can share the trust. Is it okay? When you have money, you can help somebody. If you have knowledge, you can give somebody. If you have trust, you can share somebody. Yes or no?
Yes.
So my network should always be around products. And in this world, पूरी दुनिया में, if you talk about Tata, you talk about Reliance, you talk about Apple, you talk about any company. These big companies are big because of their products. Yes or no?
Yes.
These are big because of their products. And we also, if we want to rise, then we will rise only because of. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. No explanation now. Lastly, what I will tell you is, these products cannot talk themselves.
Menteri agak sekali kandet bono lah. Ini mo ini produk ini amate ina trong Thai laut ini.
Can they talk?
No.
Can they tell their qualities by themselves?
No.
Quality kamate na siman Thai mo.
No. In television, advertisement is happening, somebody is telling.
Pakat katin television TV agak yang mungkin an simda mo.
In some shopkeeper is telling,
Dorkil tu ini te an simda mo.
because they cannot talk.
Yang ada dia kon amate ina trong Thai laut.
If a celebrity, hero or a sports person, if they tell, they make money. If they tell, they earn money.
Cimna ka ni thang kol dia kelas mo asira dia kon timzuar tu kat dia kelas mo anren an siman sile kon an sim taman rek tam sile kon paisa ka an so tam paisa nga tam sile jog ya tam ni mo
And investees,
investors
if I tell, I make money.
investors kan uma sile investors rule product kon kan sim tam sile paisa kan nga tam sile
If your neighbor tells, she will make money.
Nagwapi polian sim tam sile an in paisa tam pen nga tam sile
Now what do you want?
sile ya kan hana tile
Who should make money, Millie?
so in ha
Millie will make money. And only then when we tell. And how we will tell? When we will know. And we will know by trainings. We will know by demonstrations. And how people will know? When we will tell and we will demonstrate. And we will make a big.
Network.
You are doing very wonderful. So lastly, what I want to say to you is, if you want to reach your community in India, if you want to reach Burman people in India, a lot of people are there, but how you will know them? If you don't know, if they are in India, and if you want to reach them, if you don't know, you know your people in your surrounding, but if Cherry, you, everybody want to, and learn them on, others also know to reach. I have a tool, I have a technique. Should I tell? Good. You sit and I'll tell you now. All open your mobile phones. Open up your mobile phone.